from Peach Software. Just want to go over an old feature for you, making sure that all the new users know about it, all the potential users find out, and all the old users. I'll show you some background work that we've done so that which improves some of these features. So from the control menu, you've got change part number, change customer code, and change supplier code. Now with change supplier code, when you change it, it will rewrite the new supplier code onto all the history transactions, and it'll also update your product file where you've got first and second preferred suppliers. It'll update the codes there as well. In change customer code, again, it will rewrite history, so it'll go back and change the customer code on all the prior transactions, so you've got full history there, all the customer orders, etc. But also what you can do here is you can merge customers, so you can choose to change a customer code to another code which already exists if you want to, and it will merge the transactions, the statistics, the totals, all that sort of thing into one customer from two. So that works quite well. Actually, I'll just show you how that works. So we'll go to change customer code, put in the old code, let's say 006. Yep, that's looked for it, there it is. And we're going to change that to 007, which is a code that already exists. So we'll process that, and it warns you that the code you're changing it to already exists, and it's going to merge the statistics, the sales, the profit, the pricing matrices. It's all going to be merged together, so you don't need to do any extra work, just OK, and that will happen for you. And it'll, as I said, it will change history as well. So we'll just cancel out of that one. Now, change part number is a little bit more complex. Because with customer and supplier, you generally look for them by name. So even if you've changed the code, you'll still be familiar with the name and you'll still be looking for it by name. But if you change a part number, quite often your staff may not be aware that you've changed it, and they may be looking for an old part number. So let me show you how we fix that. So you go into change part number, and let's look for a Z part number here. Let's go Z118, enter, and before we change it, we'll go to product control, and we'll look at the Z118, there it is there, and if we go into the alternate area, you'll see Z1108 from Supplier 03. So that's all it's got written there. So now let's see what happens when we change the part number. So we're going to change it from Z118 to T118. And that's all done. So that's gone through, it's changed all the history. But what it's also done is if we go to T118, which is the new part number, it's made a record that T118 was changed from Z118 on that date. So now, if we're in a transaction screen, so let's go to, let's say, to a customer order. Okay. Now, as you may know, if you want to get from the top down to the parts grid, you can just hit F4, and that takes you to the parts grid just in one press of the button. You could also use your finger if it's a touch screen, or you can use your mouse, but anyway, that takes you down. So let's put in the new part number, the old part number, sorry, Z118, and let's see what happens here. So it identifies Z118 is now a T118, and we'll enter that, and so it puts the T118 into the part number field for you. So like I said, you may have changed the part number, your staff don't know it's changed, they'll look for the old part number, it'll find it and it'll cross-reference it with the new part number and put the new part number in the screen for you. So there you are, everything's been changed, all been updated. Great to be able to edit and clean up your database. Hope that helps. Have a nice day. If you have any problems, please call Peach Support. Thank you.